Oh, look at the little bug on top of here. That's why they call it a bug, I guess. See him?
Yep.
You ever see the bug on top of here? They call it a bug, right? And it's the speed key thing you found and as a kid, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a bug on it.
Oh, you're talking about on the plate. Yeah, I've seen that before. It's really a pretty piece.
It's beautiful. That's what I say. I'm gonna clean it up and make the black shine and the brass.
And Stration wants it. Jason Fabre wants it.
I mean, I'm not gonna shine it, but I'm gonna clean it. I'm not gonna take the patina, but I'm gonna get the damn dust off of it so we can see some coloring.
Well, it's been sitting there quite a while.
Yeah.
I'm seeing them old wires. I think of them wires you used to see up in the attic. Unwrapped shit.
Oh yeah.
Man. My grandpa thought, go up in the attic. Oh, fuck you, just bare wires up there. I ain't going up in that attic.
I'd like to see somebody work this thing.
Well, both of them can work it.
That's what I mean. I'd like to see them operate it. They have ham radios. Is that what it would need to plug into?
Mm-hmm. It's called a speed key.
All right. So
Use your thumb, not your finger.
Vibroplex. Mark. Vibroplex trademark. The Vibroplex Company Incorporated. 796 Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn, North New York. The Vibroplex Company. Serial number, patent, multiple patents. Piece of lemon cake. Look. Says WU Telco. On the little brads, a little clip for the electrode.
Yeah, the end is, I think that plugs in to one of those, like it would plug into the old switchboard plug-in type.
Mm-hmm.
I think, I'm not sure.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
All right, Troy, you can take this one. Hand me that one down there. Oh, yeah. Get it off the floor, maybe.
Oh, shit, that one's lighter than this. Where you want this one, Chris? You where it's open?
Back wall, please. Thank you, sir. How cool is this? What year you think this is?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna look it up. Find
I
out.
pulled it up before.
I just want to put a little tag with it. Beautiful piece. Amazing. Ingenuity.
The This is not an Orenco. Who made this? Tool?
That's Tula.
Tula?
Yes, sir.